Today I'm talking about social media pressures. The social media pressures that could sometimes make you feel so disgusted and so ill to your stomach that you are failing in life and other people's life is just fantastic. They're saying Empress Gifty has returned to her normal chocolate color because cream are expensive nowadays. I mean, what are you guys insinuating? Another comment that came that I liked, the girl whoever commented that said something like, no, it's just the lighten. If the lighten is not good, your skin is going to be a little bit darker or going going to appear like it is. But with the lighten and everything, it makes your skin so light. Hence, you're thinking people have bleached their skin. I will use myself, for instance, sitting on here talking to you. Trust me, I am way darker than I look on this thing. I'm way darker than I look on this thing, but it's a light, because once you put the light, it gives your it brightens everything up, right? That's it. So, you know, we're bleaching the color fine because sometimes it's the lightening. Hey, already cries. So, come back to social media pressure. Just we also saw that the Ghanaian Snapchat influencer Dochi Boateng, who also gifted her mother of a cool 500 million Ghana cedis. Hey, so a hand video.
This is 500,000. $500,000 for Auntie Millicent. $500,000.
I love you times 500,000. Like, there is literally no limit. And I want you to know that we appreciate you so much. So that land that you wanted to buy, that house that you wanted to buy.
And how is it?
You got no foundation. Foundation was the land.
Yes.
Really good.
Oh, happy birthday.
Foundation, which is good. It's a very kind gesture that the young woman did, and actually, and it's going on blamelessly, you know. But in actuality, it's not even like that. Behind the cameras, there is a whole lot of reality world that goes on that I'm pretty sure will not even be enticing to you or your life or your circumstances. It's way better than they're doing, but they are just, you know, putting out a charade out there just to thrive and also to give their, you know, social media brand presence. I'm not saying that's it, that's all in all situations. But what I'm saying is we should be mindful as we embark on this social media journey. We should be mindful of what is reality and what it's, you know, for screen. Hello, welcome to Gatsby GH. This is your girl next door, if you're right. Today